Viruses. All viruses are parasites and can only reproduce inside living cells. The cell in which the virus lives is called the host. There are many different types of viruses. Some live in the cells of animals or plants, and there are even viruses which infect bacteria. Viruses are much smaller than bacterial cells. Most are between 0.01 and 0.1 micrometer in diameter. Viruses are not made of cells. A virus particle is very simple. It has no nucleus or cytoplasm and is composed of a core of genetic material surrounded by a protein coat. The genetic material can be either DNA or a similar chemical called RNA. In either case, the genetic material makes up just a few genes, all which is needed for the virus to reproduce inside its host cell. Sometimes a membrane called an envelope may surround a virus particle, but the virus doesn't make this. Instead, it is stolen from the surface membrane of the host cell. Viruses do not feed, respire, excrete, move, grow, or respond to their surroundings. They do not carry out any of the normal characteristics of living things except reproduction, and they can only do this parasitically. This is why biologists do not consider viruses to be living organisms. A virus reproduces by entering the host cell and taking over the host genetic machinery to make more virus particles. After many virus particles have been made, the host cell dies and the particles are released to infect more cells. Many human diseases are caused in this way, such as influenza. Other examples include colds, measles, mumps, polio, and rubella. Of course, the reproduction process doesn't continue system quickly enough, and it may cause permanent damage or death. With other infections, the virus may attack cells of the immune system itself. This is the case with HIV, which causes the illness called AIDS. Viruses don't just parasite animal cells. Some infect plant cells, such as the tobacco mosaic virus, which interferes with the ability to the tobacco plant to make chloroplast, causing mottled patches to develop on the leaves.